look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was counting up like last week.
Hey guys, it's Passion and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do a deep side part bun. So right now I'm just combing my edges out. I do have a little buildup from the Got To Be Glued. So I'm just getting that out of there. So I'm getting my edges prepared for my flat iron. So what this does is just makes it easier for me to do my edges in a certain style. So that's why I just go around it with the flat iron just to get them a little more straighter. So now I'm going in with a rat tail comb to perfect my part. So you're gonna see me just go over it a few times. I'm going for a deep side part. Now I'm going to be going in with my Got To Be Glued so I can get these edges laid down nice and neat. So right here you'll see me pulling some hair out. I was trying to decide if I was going to do a dramatic sideburn or just some regular baby hairs on the side. So I just opted out to do regular baby hairs. So I moved on to using my edge brush, but I'm using the comb side to try to perfect my little swoop there, and I'm just going in a C motion. So now I'm going to go in with some Got To Be so I can start forming my swoop. So I'm trying to get my hair as smooth as possible. And I want my swoop to kind of be dramatic, so you'll see me swooping it more and more on my forehead. I'm making sure that everything is smooth from the back of my head and the front of my head. And once I get it in the ponytail, then I'm going to go and perfect my edges. So I'm going in and I'm doing like a C motion or S motion. And then once I get to the bottom, you'll see that I'll do like a straight line, I would say, to push the hair back so it can kind of be divided in between. And now I'm going to go in so I can bring my swoop down a little more and fill in those gaps in between. I don't know if you guys can see, but you can see that the hair is splitting a little bit. So I'm going to go and fix that. Now I'm just going to twist my hair all the way down, a 2-strand twist, so I can make my bun. Now I'm just pulling a little of my sideburns out just to put a little swoop, you know, jazz it up a little bit. Alright, you guys, so that is it for this look. I love me a slick down bun or ponytail with some edges, you know, some cute little sideburns just to spice it up. So this is the back, how the back looks. It's just nice and shiny and smooth, slick down. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, and I will see you guys next time.
My niggas all the same, we might act up. Come with caution, cause you know we all strapped up. Yo, bitch, she want me cause you seen a nigga stacked up. But I can keep her, I just wanna be the backup.